Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure everything is up to date. Update your iPhone and the HomePod firmware so features work. Sign into Spotify on your phone. You need Spotify Premium for direct AirPlay control sometimes. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and confirm both devices share the same network. This makes discovery reliable. Once done, open the Home app and the Spotify app so you can move quickly to pairing and streaming in the next step. You now take the audio from Spotify to the HomePod using AirPlay. Start playback in Spotify, then tap the player's device selector icon. This reveals available outputs. Choose AirPlay, and from the list select your HomePod, the name shown in the Home app. AirPlay streams the Spotify audio to the HomePod. It routes sound across your Wi-Fi network for better quality than Bluetooth. Make sure Spotify stays active on your phone, while finish up by confirming playback controls. You can pause, skip, and change volume in the Spotify app or the iPhone control center while streaming. If audio fails or disconnects, first restart the HomePod and toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone. This often clears transient networking issues. Make sure both devices remain on the same SSID and firmware is current, because mismatched updates or different networks are the most common causes of failure. If problems persist, repeat the AirPlay selection step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.